What is up, everybody? I will be reviewing the McCulloch 1385 steam cleaner today. I've owned this for about 3 months. I use this for interiors, exteriors. Previously I've had the Karcher handheld steam cleaner. This outperforms it a lot. The price point's about $350, so that's why. I'm going to move on to the specifications of the MC1385. So it has a 1.9 litre water tank, 120 minutes of continuous steam. So if you're a detailer, that's huge. 12-minute heating time, 5.5 meter power cord, 1500 watts. Again, very powerful for detailing. It has a on-demand variable steam, as you'll see in this clip here. It has powerful setting, weaker setting. So if you're doing like a headliner, then you can switch it to the lower setting. If you're doing carpets, vinyl, dash, you can switch to the higher setting. Use cases. So I'm going to show you the carpet and floor mats first. I do this after vacuuming and before extracting. This accessory I'm using here, it's like a little triangle head with some bristles in it, and it really agitates the carpets, gets more dirt, sand out. As you'll see in this clip here too, this is how much sand we've got out of it. What you're seeing here now is me clean, like my process to cleaning vinyl and plastic and potentially leather. So I'll spray it with all-purpose cleaner, scrub it in, and then I'll steam it with the steamer. And that's a great way to get that new look back into your vinyl. I find it effectively removes all dirt, but from now on I'll just let you watch these clips of me working through the car, and you can hear how loud it is, how effectively it works. But overall, in my opinion, it's a really great product. I wish I bought it earlier, to be honest, because this has solved a lot of issues that I couldn't solve before. If you like what I do, please subscribe, like. If you want to see any other product reviews, leave a comment down below as well. Thank you.